Mm-hmm.
Sarà che neanche non lo so. Che cosa altro si fa?
Non c'è qui stadio, capisci non devo dire.
She have a sleep disorder. She was sleeping.
You like that too? Yours is in the morning. Okay, lady. With your 1941 Ford Skip.
Dad, leave that lady alone. She have another problem. Always moaning in her sleep. I don't know what it was wrong. See right now, she's probably having a bad dream.
Who the heck dream during the daytime while you sleep?